Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use Textplus on PC. Firstly, visit the official BlueStacks website and download the emulator for your operating system like Windows or macOS. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now, after you've done that, log into BlueStacks using your Google account as it's required to the access of the Google Play Store. Now, open BlueStacks and navigate to the Google Play Store again, search for Textplus in the Play Store and click install and wait for the app to download and install within BlueStacks. When it's done, just open the Textplus app, sign in with your account or sign up and follow the on-screen to set up a free phone number and start sending texts or making calls using the app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.